Nearly all of Iowa now has high or substantial level of community transmission for coronavirus. The Centers for Disease Control recommends people in all but 9 counties wear face coverings indoors. As cases increase, one major healthcare company is taking a big step to keep its employees and patients safe. KCCI's Kayla James is live tonight. Kayla, if employees of Unity Point Health don't get the COVID-19 vaccine, they could lose their jobs.
That's right, Stacy. And this isn't just a requirement for a healthcare provider. It's for every employee, from custodians to people in the billing department and so on. They have to be vaccinated before the end of this fall, including the 23% of employees here at Unity Point clinics in Des Moines who aren't yet vaccinated. There are around 6,000 employees working in Des Moines' Unity Point Health buildings. Of them, 73% are vaccinated, meaning within the next 3 months, the remaining 27% will have a decision to make to get vaccinated or not.
If a team member chooses not to be vaccinated, they can do a voluntary resignation, or we can proceed to termination.
There are more than 33,000 Unity Point Health employees across 3 states. The company's CEO and president says the decision will keep everyone healthy so they can continue meeting needs during the pandemic. People with medical or religious reasons can request an exemption.
Our team members who are pregnant can defer their vaccine until they have the baby.
Trinity Health is another health system requiring vaccinations at several of their Mercy One clinics in Iowa. Just weeks after announcing their requirement in July, Iowa state legislators drafted this letter with questions in regards to their plan.
What is the scientific rationale for excluding certain people if vaccinated people can still transmit?
Iowa Representative Jeff Shipley is one of 24 legislators who have signed the letter so far. He says Iowans have called since July, worrying about losing their jobs at their companies. Shipley says he and other legislators are working on legislation that would protect employees' rights.
It's very important that whatever the policy is, that there are exemptions and basically the ability to accommodate everyone.
And I reached out to the other hospitals in the area to learn if they have any plans to have their employees be vaccinated. Mercy One Des Moines referenced the Trinity Health locations, and they said, quote, they anticipate extending the policy across all locations in the future. I didn't hear back from Broadlands Medical Center. In Des Moines, Kayla James, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's News Leader.